I'll let y'all know what's up. Sometimes I need to know my tone of voice before I speak. It's a party, it's a party. Well, whatever. Oh, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I'm back. Okay. We got some more visitors here? Let's see. Oh, we got Otto over here. We'll see what's up with him. All right. Where's Naomi and their trial? Oh, they coming. All right. It's a party over here, party over there. So we gonna careful. So it's a party. It's a party. Okay. I don't own this music in the background, y'all. If y'all can hear it. Okay. All right. So the way I think about it, though. All right. All right. So way I think about it. The pool. Huh. All right. Oh, look who made it. Natrell and Naomi. All right. Hey, Naomi, look your television. Say, hey. Natrell, you on TV. All right. Never mind that. All right. Oh, wait a minute. Huh? Oh, let me, I got my hands full. Let me get this out the way. All right. All right. So, I'm just, I guess that need to be untangled. You know, it has to be untangled or whatever. So anyway, y'all, I'm just having a fun old time. Oh, Naomi, you got something to say? You got something to say? Say hey. Oh, you look just like your you look just like your mommy. She look just like her mommy. Yeah. Imagine that. I wonder where Buck at. So I'm about to help with this hose right here. All right, so the people at the station, YouTube, Facebook, NBC, CBS, ABC, Fox or whatever, y'all got me on. Roll it back to the film or whatever, okay? All right.